I love shopping at Kohl's, Macy's, so I bought a bunch of cookware, bakeware, just a bunch of stuff. And let's see. Everything, Kohl's, Macy's, cups. I bought this over the holidays, so I figured why not share? Graters. I love Rachel Ray, like anything Rachel Ray, cookware, bakeware I buy. It's just, I don't know, I love it. So I think that's a tray, a very big tray, huge. I bought a bunch of, like, 2 coffee mugs. They're actually made of glass. They look plastic, but they're glass, so I don't use it as much. Just scared it might break. These little pretty trays. Sorry, bakeware. This butter dish, which I still haven't used. Salad, to dress your salad. These things that I bought, like to grate, to quarter dice. I actually don't. I'd rather do it by hand. It's faster, and to clean up, it's faster than those machines that you, like, supposedly it chops your onions and all that. It doesn't work for me. I think I returned those. Potato masher, and I love the grater though. I needed that. Just wanted to share a bunch of stuff I bought. It's actually pretty good. Pretty good items. They were like on sale. Cheese slicer. The brush. I don't know what you call it, but the brush that you brush things with. Tongs. Oh, I love my tongs. Every time I cook, I use the tongs. So it's like an everyday usage whenever I cook, my tongs. Yeah, I returned that. Those they're useless. You're supposed to press on them, and it's supposed to come like in small little pieces. No, it just made a mess. Most of it gets stuck in the little squares inside of it. I just returned it. I love this Rachel Ray square dish. I bought 2 of them. Beautiful. I cooked my baked ziti on it. It's just, I love it. Yeah. So, yeah, I returned that, I think. Or I might even have it. I don't know. I think I returned 2, and then I kept, like, the other choppers. Because I tried them all, and I think 1 or 2 choppers were okay, but, like, this Nutri chopper, no. This is from Rachel Ray. Amazing. Amazing cookware. Amazing utensil, or whatever cookware. Lazy spoon and lazy ladle. So yeah, just wanted to share that. This is also very beautiful. Came with a beautiful box for your salad. To serve your salad server. Beautiful. And of course, I got cooling racks because I love to bake. And I think I have 1 cooling rack, so I bought 2 more. And this last piece. Those are to drink. I bought 2. Two is better than one. These bowling sets, two-piece Rachel Ray. One group, the left is bigger than the right. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.